all of you, welcome back to our channel once again. And today we are going to make a new project which is called a simple calculator. So here we are not going to code because I also don't know much about coding and I'm also new to it. But what I am trying to do, I'm trying to use AI for making different types of project, as well as try to learn with the projects, not simultaneously learning and making. So here today our topic is to make a simple calculator. What we do in this whole video, we are going to chat with AI and use the code provided by them, as well as we are using Claude, not using ChatGPT or any other AI tool. You can use anyone which you want. Okay, now we also learn here how does it work and what are the mistakes we have done along the period, as well as in the end of the video I will tell you what will be our next project. And if you already made it, so you can give me the link of that project in the comment box, or you can also DM me on Instagram. Now today we are going to start. Now I will do everything live here. I'm going to give a prompt as simple English as a basic English. Here we are not talking about actually what a system of prompt we are giving. So normal casual prompt I'm giving, and if you want you will get the whole tutorial, or you can say whole video transcribed version or in a detail on our blog called legendscolumn.xyz. Here there where you can go and understand what we have missed in the video, and if you are encountering any issue, let me know in the comment. So let's start our today's video. Let's come to our screen, and our first topic is to decide what we have to make. So we are making a simple calculator. Now here, so let me tell you one more thing. So whenever a beginner made a project with a simple calculator, so they only add, minus, add, subtract, multiply and division. So we are not talking about square root and all those. So here we will try to make optimize as well as a good calculator with a clean UI, and or you can say, let's see what we can do with a simple calculator. So let's give me a Python code, because we are specifying it, because whenever you are going to talk with Claude, I have seen multiple times it's give you something code like related to 3JS or Node.js or React sometimes. So we are giving a particular instruction to the AI to make what we want. So give me a Python code for a simple calculator with clean UI and interactive UI with minimal colors, and make sure it works like a 3D calculator. Now first we are giving this prompt. So I have a little bit some thing about what type of calculator I want, and we have seen many type of calculator on our phone, on our different type of device. Let's say what it makes, and I will let you know what it will print. So here you have given the prompt and you have to just wait and sit tight. Let's see what AI made for us. We can only wait here. There is no any option we can do. Here you can see it's using a Tkinter library. So if you are new to programming, no problem. I will tell you everything about this, what is happening in the code, and vice versa. You are learning. So don't think we are here only for watching a video and making something project which we can help in our resume and what. This is all nonsense. Here we are, our own, or you can say only objective is to learn and make, nothing else. Here you can see it's using Tkinter framework for making GUIs, as well as you can see different type of thing and all. It's button there, all the button we have seen in the calculator. So here you can see this, and here 3D button options. So that when you click, it will move, and like this. Colors are there, all there are color codes, and button main function. Main button means this is all connecting the button. Whenever you are clicking, something will be happen. Likewise, and we will see it all line in detail. So this is the last thing where we can say that our application is complete and you have to run this. Now I am going to copy this code, copy, and here we are in our VS Code terminal, where we have already making a file called as simple calculator. Here let's see what it makes for us. Let's run this code, and I will tell you something what will can happen on your PC whenever you are running it first time. There is something I am encountering an issue. Let's see. Yes, here. So here you can see a complete, not that much good calculator, but it's fine. Let's see 3 plus, oh sorry, 3 and let me here plus and 6, so equals to enter. We can say equals to back. So here what I find, that the button is not working properly here. Whenever I'm clicking, so it's not working. Whenever I'm typing a number is there, but whenever I'm pressing enter, it's not working. So here is the first issue what we have found it here. So overall the calculator is good. You can see that everything is fine. There is equals to and 3 to this, but our project is not that much right, means it's wrong. So now we are going to see how we can solve this by just chatting with AI. And the first thing what you can encounter whenever you are running this type of things, here you can also change the color, means if you are going to here, so when you click on this button you can change the color whatever you want. So here let's see. So Tkinter is there, font is not used in this. Okay, so font, that's why this class is not used. It's like this. And what you will encounter, let's see, I'm showing you different folder. Let me see, this is news.py, and here I have imported which library I don't have. Let's say your PC doesn't have that particular library. As I say that you will find something like this. Whenever you are running a project, you will find this in your terminal if you are using on VS Code or anywhere. So you will find that no module name TensorFlow means there will be error. So how you can fix this? So I'm not importing TensorFlow on my PC, but if you want, I can do this. Here, there is open source which you can, if you are on a Windows, so you will write this, and if you are Mac, so you can also ask this to AI how I can import. Now, pip install, okay, install then the name of your library which you want to download. Now I've written this, let's put enter, and we'll find that everything which required, all the library will be done automatically. So this is how Python works, and this is called as importing a library or importing a package. So here we have downloaded and it's downloading. It will take some time, where I don't need TensorFlow right now, so I'm not using this. Let's see what we have happen, what we can make changes on our simple calculator.py. Okay, now let's see. Let's cut this and let's close this terminal, and fine. Okay, so here this is not working, so we are going again to our AI and ask what we are asking. We are asking UI is okay, but the functions are not working with the colors are not much interactive, and it not looks beautiful. Like we have given this, let's see what it will make for us changes. So you have to find everything. Let's wait. So you can see that AI is running our code. We are not cheating with it. So let's see. Your code has been done. We will compare the difference between the first and the with what will work, and we will find something which can help us. This is version 2 here. Let's go again, and here let use a different, or you can say a different thing for us. So make it clear that what have simple cal calculator 2.py. Enter. Here we are printing this here. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's see what it happened after running this code here. Hello friends, you can see this has been already made it. Let's take 8. It's still not working. Let's see what's happened next. One let ask me either 1 2. Overall the app is still not working, and currently we are already stuck here. Now this is the most embarrassing part, that we are just making a simple calculator, and because we don't know programming, we are unable to fix it, what's happened, why this happened. And literally this phase is comes and always make your mind very frustrated. But this is the time when you have to move ahead and try to solve this problem, even if you don't know a single word about coding. Okay, let's say go on the cloud again, and let me say your buttons are not working properly. With that, I am not much happy with it. Whatever comes in your mind, put it down, because this is AI. This will try to understand your main objective rather on you can say rather on your words, what you are saying or whatever. Okay, so here let me explain this code. This is a little bit simple of it. So here is tickenter is a library I have already detailed, and a tickenter is a class. There is a font, and tk is will be named whenever you are calling the function. So there is a class called modern calculator, and definitely is called a constructor, and this is a root, means this function is using again and again all over the code. Self.root is equals to root title is the name of monitoring. This is the size of the, and this is resizable means it can't be resizable, means there is no, if we are going to do this true, everything means this length and this length, so we can convert this, means we can increase it, decrease it as we want. And the color code is there. I don't know what is the real color is this. Now input will be given by the user, is a string, set 0 already is a 0, and all those. Create display, whatever you are going to see. So here all the things is here, as well as the name of all the whatever. History label means there is history also. Whenever you are going to calculate anything, it will show on the history tab. Main display, which will work, and there is something more extra, create buttons. Again the button looks like this, we have already seen. For there is enumerate function of a Python used here. This is high level thing, means it will not learn by the beginner, very beginner, so you can skip this. And make button, this is the color of the button, like AC, delete, and equals to, plus, minus, multiply, division, and all. Color set already done. Buttons will work here. It's called a signal something. Okay. There is a bind button dot bind. Literally saying I also unable to understand this part, bind event, but I can understand event. We have something called as event handling in a Python, where we add a button to a specific function. So this is happening here. Button over means whenever you are clicking, okay, button is pressed, button leave, button press, button release, press input, process input. Okay. Whenever they are providing AC, it will delete, set 0, delete. You can understand how does it happening. Means everyone learn if else, but no one use like this. So this is real coding, and there is something instance. This is maybe something in function of the Python. So we can't. I'm not sure what is happening here. And here everything is fine. Add to input. Now I think this will run. So let me know in the comment and stop the video and tell me does it will work or not. So we are going to copy this, copy, and go on terminal. And I am cutting this because I don't think it's work. Now let's see what's happened to our new calculator because it will take some time to run. Now here is the calculator has been done. Let's see we can increase this or not. No, there is no increase option. That's why I said that's false. Now 8 into 9 is equals to 22. Here you can see everything is done. We have also used like AC 0 ho gaya, and it's AD. Delete this, so it will cut a single later. Now we have made a complete working calculator. Here I am stopping this video, but you tell me in the comment what will I make with the help of the AI, so you can make different type of project with that help of that tutorial. Let me know in the comment and read the follow blogs as well as follow us on Instagram, subscribe the channel and follow the like the button, press the like button, so we will always in touch.